Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the Student the Brand. This is our Siva sir. So, hi, good evening. I think you forgot. Oh, how are you, Tanishka? So, good evening. Okay, so next, now, today, we are. Okay. Oh, that's why I couldn't able to identify. So that time it's different, right? Now it is different. That's why I couldn't able to recognize that. Okay, thank you so much for attending. So I'm very happy. So you are coming back again to the live classes. So share to your friends, ask your friends to join to the class. There's a live class is going on. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. Now. Okay then. So please inform to everyone. Ask them to join to the class. Okay. So help me to reach maximum number of students. Thank you so much. Okay, done. Now, today we are going to discuss about light reflection and electric current. Electric current. Okay. So electric current. Electric current. Electric current. So the rate of flow of charge. Yeah. Thank you so much. The rate of flow of charge is called electric current. So I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T. SI unit of electric current is ampere. So I am taking I equal to Q by T. SI unit of current is ampere. SI unit of charge is coulomb. SI unit of time is second. SI unit of charge is SI unit of current is ampere, SI unit of charge is coulomb, SI unit of time is second. Okay, so here I am taking this ampere, okay, so this ampere, and this one is the coulomb. SI unit of electric current is SI unit of charge. SI unit of charge is coulomb. SI unit of charge is coulomb, and SI unit of time is second. SI unit of time is second. Okay, I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T. The rate of flow of charge is called electric current. Okay, so here you can see 1 ampere is defined as 1 coulomb of charge flowing through unit cross section area per second. 1 ampere is defined as 1 coulomb of charge flowing through unit cross section area per second is called electric current. I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T. Okay. So in the conductor, if only 1 electron flows, will you say current is flowing? Only 2 electrons flows, will you say current is flowing? Only 3 electrons flows, will you say current is flowing? No, we can't. So number of charges are moving in the conductor. Number of charges are moving in the conductor. So number of many, not only one. So many charges are moving. That's why it is called quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. Okay. Quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. So here you can see I am taking like this. So here positive charges, negative charge, positive charge, negative charge, positive charge, negative charge, positive charge, negative charge. So thank you, Tanishka. Do well. So prepare well. So if you have any doubt, just you can ask. Definitely will get it. Oh, great. Okay, done. Now, So we can see number of charges are moving in the conductor. Number of charges are moving in the conductor. So we can't say only one electron is moving. So we can't say only two electrons are moving. Number of charges are moving in the conductor. So that's why we can say. So quantization of charge. Q equal to plus or minus Ne. Q equal to plus or minus Ne. Q equal to plus or minus Ne. So Ne is the number of charges are moving in the conductor. Okay. Then on one electron, how much charge is present on one electron? On one electron, 1.6 into, on one electron, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. On one electron, how much charge is present? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. In 1 coulomb, how many electrons are present? 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons. 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons. How you will get that one? How will you get that one? So we will discuss now. Here you can see. On one electrons, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, so charge. So in 1 coulomb, if you are taking 1 coulomb, 1 by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, 10 power minus 19, right? So now you can say here, I am taking, so 1 coulomb, that is equal to, so if you are writing 1 by 1.6 into 10 power 19, then you'll get, so 1 by 1.6 value is 0.625, okay, 0.625 into 10 power 19, then we can write 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons are present. So in 1 coulomb, 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons are present. Okay, so that is about electric current. So 1 ampere is defined as 1 coulomb of charge flowing through unit cross section area per second is called electric current. SI unit of charge is coulomb, SI unit of current is ampere, SI unit of time is second. Okay, so that is about electric current. And the next one, quantization of charge. There are many charges are moving in the conductor, then only we can say current is flowing. So Q equal to plus or minus Ne. On one electron, how much charge is present? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. In 1 coulomb, how many electrons are present? 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons. 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons are present. So that is about electric current. Now, so we will discuss about electrical elements. Okay, electrical elements. After that, we will discuss about electric circuit. After that, potential difference, electrical potential. Okay, all these points we'll discuss. After that, we will discuss about Ohm's law. After that, we will discuss about differences between resistance and resistivity. After that, we will discuss about resistors are connected in series combination. So resistors are connected in parallel combination. Okay, so after that we will discuss about so heating effect of electric current, that is electric power. All those points we'll discuss. Let's start. Okay, so now we have to discuss about Ohm's law. Let's start. Ohm's law. So now electric current. So you can send a message. So those who want notes, you can send a message. Then I will connect to you. So because a call, so too many calls if I am getting, then you may not. I couldn't able to lift all those calls and attempt and no talk. So those who want, I'm requesting you all. Those who want notes, can just drop a message. Definitely, I will respond to those messages. Okay. Yes. Now we will discuss about electrical elements. Okay, Let's start. So point number 1, cell I am taking here. So this is cell, positive terminal, negative terminal. Second one is battery. So like this, positive terminal, negative terminal. And third one is switch. This is a open switch. And coming to the fourth one is closed switch. Okay, and fifth one is resistor, resistor. Mm, mm, So open switch, and this one is closed switch. Okay, and the next one is so it is not only 3 cells, more than two cells. We can connect one more also. So 2, 4, 5 can take. Okay. Yes, more than 2 cells we can connect one more also. Fine, no problem. That's okay. So if you want to connect, you can. I'll connect. More than 3 cells. So I'm taking like this 1, 2, 3. Okay, fine. 1, 2, 3. So open switch, closed switch, and resistor, rheostat. So rheostat is like this. I am taking one more. 2 or more cells can be connected. Is a battery. So this is a rheostat, right? A rheostat. Mm-hmm. 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 Rheostat, okay. So next one, seventh one is ammeter, and eighth one is voltmeter, positive terminal, negative terminal. Next one is ammeter, voltmeter, wire joining. So 10th one is wire crossing. 11th one is bulb. This is a bulb. Okay, check once here. So cell, battery, open switch, closed switch, resistor, rheostat, okay, ammeter, voltmeter, wire joining, wire crossing, bulb. Okay, so these are the electrical elements. Now we will discuss about next. So next we are discussing about electric circuit. A closed and continuous path of an electric current. A closed and a continuous path of an electric current is known as an electric circuit. A closed and continuous path of an electric current is known as an electric circuit. Okay, so now we will connect all the electrical elements, so in a series combination. Then we will discuss about we will discuss about we will discuss about conventional current and electric current, conventional current and electric current. So let's start. So here I'm considering like this. So this is the bulb, this is the bulb, and ammeter, and next one is the battery, next one is switch, positive terminal, negative terminal. So current is flowing. Okay, so now you can observe here there are two types of current. One is conventional current, conventional current. Second one is electric current. Second one is electric current. Electric current. So what is the meaning of conventional current? Conventional current is nothing but when the current the flow of positive charges, okay, positive charges are moving from positive terminal to negative terminal. Flow of positive charges is known as conventional current. Electric current is nothing but the flow of electrons. Electrons are moving from negative terminal to positive terminal. So I hope it is very clear. So positive charges are moving from positive terminal to negative terminal, whereas electrons are moving from negative terminal to positive terminal. Right? Yes. So before finding electron, proton, neutron, before that, so already scientists were given that statement, already they are learning. Okay, so already by using the statements, so there are many theorems were derived. Okay, so proved. So that's why they are using the same definition, that is flow of positive charges. Okay, positive charges are moving from positive terminal to negative terminal. So that's why instead of removing that one, so we will use that statement as a conventional current. And flow of electrons, after knowing movement of the electron gives the electric current, so that's why, so flow of electrons is known as electric current. Flow of positive charges is known as conventional current. Flow of electrons is known as electric current. Right? Yes. So here one more point, positive charges are moving from high potential to low potential. Positive charges are moving from high potential to low potential. Negative charges are moving from negative terminal to positive terminal. So now you can observe flow of positive charges. And flow of electrons. So positive charges are moving from positive terminal to negative terminal, whereas electrons are moving from negative terminal to positive terminal. Right? Yes. And one more point. So positive charges are moving from high potential to low potential. Positive charges are moving from high potential to low potential, whereas electrons are moving from low potential to high potential. So here you can see, so conventional current, so positive charges are moving from high potential to low potential, low potential, whereas electric current, electrons are moving from low potential to high potential, low potential to high potential, right? So this is about conventional current and electric current, conventional current and electric current. So now we will discuss about electrical potential and potential difference. So best example, I will tell one example. I will tell an example. So you are taking two beakers. So you are taking two beakers. So both are filled at the top, and you connected those two beakers. Will water will flow from one beaker to another beaker? Will it flow? No. So water will not flow from one beaker to another beaker. Or instead of that, so one is filled at the top, so that is placed at certain height, and another one is filled until half of it, and it is placed certain below the below to the first position of the beaker. Then automatically from beaker A to beaker B, the water will flow. Okay. So here gravitational potential, there is nothing, acceleration due to gravity is no role to play, but we are not taking that one. But the pressure difference, because of the pressure difference, the water will flow from one beaker A to beaker B because of the height difference. Okay. So here also in the electric current, in the conductor, electrons. So how the electrons will move? Normally electrons are there is without difference, without pressure difference, it won't move. Okay. The difference in electrical pressure creates the movement of the electrons. Movement of the electron, that is called electrical potential. Okay. So that is called electrical potential. That is nothing but potential difference also. That is also potential difference. Okay. So here, so which one is creating the difference? Battery. If you connect the battery, then only the current start flowing in the conductor. Electrons are start moving in the conductor, right? Yes or no? So battery is creating the difference, potential difference. Okay. So now we will discuss about potential difference and electrical potential. Potential difference, work done to bring unit positive charge from one point to another point within the conductor. Work done to bring unit positive charge from one point to another point within the conductor is called potential difference. Work done to bring unit positive charge from infinity to the required field. Work done to bring unit positive charge from infinity to the required field is called electrical potential. Electrical potential. So let's start. Now we will discuss potential difference and electrical potential. Potential difference and electrical potential. Okay. So here potential difference. Potential difference. Potential difference. So point A and point B, point A and point B. So we are doing some work. We are doing some work to bring unit positive charge. We are doing some work to bring unit positive charge from one point to another point within the conductor. From one point to another point within the conductor is called potential difference. Okay. So here you can see work done to bring unit positive charge from one point to another point within the conductor. Within the conductor. V equal to W by Q. SI unit of potential difference is volt. SI unit of work is joule. SI unit of charge is coulomb. So 1 volt is defined as 1 joule of work is done to bring 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another point. Here you can see. So 1 volt is defined as 1 joule of work is done to bring 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another point. That is nothing but 1 volt. Okay. So SI unit of potential difference is volt. SI unit of work is joule. SI unit of charge is coulomb. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule of work is done to bring 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another point. Okay, that is called potential difference. So what about electrical potential? So coming to electrical potential, electrical potential, electrical potential, electrical potential. So here you can observe, so I am taking, so this is infinity, infinity, so positive charge is there. We are doing some work to bring unit positive charge from infinity to the required field. From infinity to the required field, that is called electrical potential. Electrical potential. So from infinity to the required field. From infinity to the required field. So electrical potential. You have to understand electrical potential. Work done to bring unit positive charge from infinity to the required field. So potential difference. You need to understand the potential difference. Potential difference is nothing but work done to bring unit positive charge from one point to another point within the conductor. From one point to another point within the conductor is called potential difference. From infinity to the required field is electrical potential. From infinity to the required field is electrical potential. So this is about potential difference and electrical potential, right? Yes. So now we will discuss about okay. So I hope it is very clear. I hope it is very clear. So now you can observe here electrical potential and potential difference. Potential difference is nothing but work done to bring unit positive charge, work done to bring unit positive charge from one point to another point within the conductor. From one point to another point within the conductor is called potential difference. Electrical potential is nothing but work done to bring unit positive charge from infinity to the required field. From infinity to the required field is called electrical potential. So now we will discuss about Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Okay. So let's start. So Ohm's law. So what is Ohm's law? Ohm's law is nothing but okay. So the potential difference across the ends of the given metallic conductor is directly proportional to current flowing through it. Okay. So the potential difference across ends of the given metallic conductor is directly proportional to current flowing through it at a constant temperature. And physical conditions also same. Physical conditions also same. Right? So at a constant temperature, the potential difference across the ends of the given metallic conductor is directly proportional to current flowing through it. Okay. And so materials required, so circuit diagram, and next one procedure, tabular column. So then all those points we'll discuss now. So you can see what is that Ohm's law. So V is directly proportional to I. V equal to IR. Okay. So the potential difference across the ends of the given metallic conductor is directly proportional to current flowing through. So you can see here. Next one, materials required. What are the materials required? So materials required. Materials. Point number one. Point number one. Four cells. So 1.5 volts of each. Four cells, 1.5 volts of each. Second one, nichrome wire. Nichrome wire is 0.5 meter length. And coming to ammeter, and coming to fourth one is voltmeter, and the next one, fifth one is switch, and the next one is switch, connecting wires. Okay, so these are the materials required. Okay, so the potential difference across the ends of the given metallic conductor is directly proportional to current flowing through it at a constant temperature. That is called Ohm's law definition. So I hope you got it, right? Yes. So if you got it, just click on like button, share to your friends, and I hope you subscribe my channel, I hope. So thank you so much, right? Yes, so four cells, 1.5 volts of each, nichrome wire, ammeter, voltmeter, switch, connecting wires. Now we'll draw the circuit diagram. Okay, so I'll draw the circuit diagram. Just check once here. So four cells, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that will be connected. This ammeter, and next one resistor. That is nothing but nichrome wire, switch. That is connected like this. Okay. So current is passing positive terminal, negative terminal, like here. Okay. So across this one we are connecting voltmeter. So switch is closed. Current is passing, positive terminal, negative terminal, current is passing. So here it will be connected with one by one. So like here. Okay. Sir, why you are drawing with the dotted lines? Okay. So generally, coming to the procedure, first we have to connect one cell and note down the reading of ammeter and voltmeter, and connect two cells and note down the reading of ammeter and voltmeter, and connect three cells and note down the reading of ammeter and voltmeter, and like that. So repeat the process for 3 and 4. So that's why first connect one cell and note down the reading of ammeter and voltmeter. Next one, connect to two cells and note down the ammeter reading and voltmeter reading. So repeat the process for 3 and 4. Okay. So you have to repeat the same process for 3 and 4. Then you can mention in the tabular form. So this is a tabular form. So I am taking like this. This is a tabular form. Serial number of cells, ammeter reading, voltmeter reading, V by I form. Okay, so here I can say, so 1, 2, 3, like this. Serial number. Okay, so now you can observe here. So serial number, number of cells, ammeter reading is current reading, voltmeter reading potential difference, V by I equal to R, constant R. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ohm's law gives the definition of resistance. Okay. So Ohm's law gives the definition of resistance. So if you're drawing the graph between V and I, if you draw the graph between V and I, the graph gives the straight line. Okay. So this is for ohmic conductors. The conductors which obey Ohm's law, those are called ohmic conductors. The conductors which does not obey Ohm's law, those are called non-ohmic conductors. So the graph you can observe. So here it is straight line, that is curve. Okay, so this is about Ohm's law. Once again, the potential difference across the ends of the given metallic conductor is directly proportional to current flowing through it at a constant temperature. V is directly proportional to I, V equal to IR. Okay, so materials required 4 cells. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cells. So 1.5 volts of each. And the next one, nichrome wire. So this is a nichrome wire. Nichrome wire is length 0.5 meter. 0.5 meter. Okay. And so ammeter, voltmeter, switch, and connecting wires. So remaining are connecting wires. Understood? First you have to connect one cell. You have to connect one cell and note down the reading of ammeter and voltmeter. Next, connect to two cells. Two cells, observe the reading of ammeter and voltmeter, and repeat the process for 3 and 4. Connect 3 cells and observe the reading of ammeter and voltmeter. Connect 4 cells and observe the reading of ammeter and voltmeter, and mention in the tabular form. Okay, so mention in the tabular form. Okay, so in this tabular form, you have to mention those values. Those are one. So anyway, serial number of cells 1, 2, 3, 4. For that, so first cell ammeter reading, voltmeter reading, and second ammeter, voltmeter, V by I. So then you will get all those values. After that, so you have to draw the graph. Okay, so you have to draw the graph for VI. VI graph gives the straight line. So straight line gives the what? So it is linear. V is directly proportional, right? Yes. Okay. So doing work is in our hand. The result is in not our hand, right? So we have to do work. That's enough. Whether you are getting result or not, we need to work hard. Okay, so in our own direction, in our own path. So if you think about only result, definitely will not achieve. Okay, so if you think only about result, okay, so we are doing, see, I am doing right from 2020 onwards, this 2026. So you can check my channel, you can check my YouTube channel. There are many videos, many experiments. There are full of content related to physics. So every day I'll wake up with different idea. With a different idea, I'll wake up and work on it. Okay, let's work on today on this idea. Like that, I'll feel and wake up and do that work. Okay, so whether you are getting result or not, it doesn't matter. Okay, so finally at the end it is a matter, right? So it's a matter of result, definitely. So how much hard work you are doing, so no one will see your pain, your hard work. So you are facing problem, oh my god, so this fellow is facing so many problems, so immediately result should come and give to him in a flower bouquet like that. No, it is not possible, right? So no one will get like that. So we have to face the hurdles, we have to struggle a lot, we have to face the challenges, we have to do work in our own path. At the end, by the byproduct of your hard work only the result. Okay, so whatever you are doing, do with the whole heart and work hard. Definitely result will come. Believe that. Believe the process. Trust the process. Trust yourself. Trust yourself. That's enough. Nothing else. Trust yourself. Trust your hard work. Trust your beliefs. Belief system. Okay? One day or day one. Day one, if you do the hard work, definitely you'll reach to that one day. In our imagination, you will think one day I'll become like that, right? Okay? Yeah. Thank you so much. I am very happy for that. Your name is Nachiket, I hope. Yes. So still you can help me. Okay, it's not only ending point of view. Still you can help me. Spread a one word. Okay, regarding the channel. Just share to your friends. Yeah, yeah. So you're in your college. If you are there in college, inform to your friends. If you are there in school, inform to your friends. So ask them to watch the channel. Definitely they will understand. Definitely they will. So hardly to see you teach like this. I'm in class. Oh, great! Definitely, it's not about only so whether you are earning or not. It doesn't matter. You are a student. You are learning. That is very important. Learning is very important. Okay, first you have to learn to reach the point of earning. Okay, so try to work out on it. Try to work out on it. So if you are grade 10, definitely it will be helpful, surely. So this channel is helpful. These live classes are helpful to you. Okay, so you can spread a word. If you are 10th class, inform to your friends. This class for 10th live classes, everyday classes will be going on. Every day will be going on, not only one day, today. So every day it will be going on. Live classes only I will teach. So with interaction only I will go with the students. Okay, so with the interaction, so with the live interaction only classes will be going on. Thank you so much. Yes, of course. Yeah, of course, I'm doing a lot of hard work. So, finally, you have to support me. With your support only, I can reach to the maximum number of students. So, it depends. My result will be depending on you. But my hard work depends on me. Okay, definitely, I will do hard work. So, it's not about hard work, it's my passion to teach. Okay, so you can able to see that it's my passion, something. So internally it is like you can say, banging like anything, so hitting like anything to me to no, do your work. That's enough. So it's no, so no need of thinking about it. Okay, definitely will get it. So inform to your friends. That's enough. Just click on like button, subscribe my channel, inform to maximum students. That's enough. So my name is Siva sir. So okay. So you can check my videos. There are many number of videos, like so 5.5k videos. You can check in the channel. Okay. So subscribers, yeah, besides of it, how many videos are uploaded in this channel, then you will get to know, right? So all the videos related to physics content only. Purely, completely physics content. Offline. So yes, no. Now I am not only dressed now like this. So right from my first video. So if you observe right from my first video onwards, I'm doing like this. Oh, great. So actually, not only now, right from my first video onwards, you can check. So my first video uploaded with no shut, so written diagrams on it. Okay, so like convex, concave. So like I stitched it. So I cut the cloth and stitched it on it. So diagrams. I went to the classroom with the same dress. So right from starting onwards, I'm teaching like this only, with the different thoughts, with the different ideas. many experimental videos are there. Just you can go and check. Definitely you'll get it. So share to your friends, inform to your friends. That's enough. That is the only support I need from you all. So being a student, you will learn. Okay, definitely. Oh, thank you so much. So thank you for that, Nachket. Okay, so user ID name is like that. So thank you so much. So sometimes, actually, before I was conducting interaction session, like talking with the students, likewise, and so nowadays it's not happening, but still I'll restart. Okay, I'll start again, interacting with the students and clarifying the doubts like that in live classes. Okay, so classes will be there. Online classes I'll be taking. So one to one, if it is required, one to one I'm taking, and like a doubt clarification session also I'll take. So concept explanation classes also I'll take. Yes, of course it's not like that. It depends. It depends. Okay, it depends. It depends, right? So right from starting onwards, I'm doing with the different ideas like this, different costumes like that. Okay, maybe it reaches. So digitally, it will be helpful. So it is possible. Yes. Yeah, that is true. Okay. So with the different customs, with the different ideology, okay. So like if I'm doing one thing like that, it's okay, fine. But I'm doing different ways, many ways. Okay. Yes. So can support. So by li- like, share, and subscribe, and inform your friends. Okay. So you are helping your friends. You are helping your friends. Yeah, of course. That is true. Okay. Individual opinions are different perspective, different opinions. Definitely it will be, definitely it will be acceptable. Okay. Yes. So anyone want to interact, just you can go with the interaction. So actually I thought to teach, but queries are different. So so you can plan. So you're asking Vishnut. I hope some of the students join with the name. Okay, done. So you can now plan from now onwards. If you plan properly, automatically you can achieve. So you have to plan, and how many chapters you know, how many chapters you don't know. So plan accordingly. Whichever chapters you know, so keep some time away. So remaining chapters you focus. Give more time. Give more time. Learn carefully, properly, and in depth of the topics, conceptual wise. Then automatically after that, so revise all the topics, all the concepts, all the chapters. Okay, regularly, frequently. Then and based on that one, you try to solve the previous year papers, model papers. Now this is the time to learn the concept as well as do practice with the previous year's papers too. Okay, model papers also, and the exams what they conducted in your college or school. So based on that one also, you can collect those all those papers, whatever it is there. Just check once how you have written, how you wrote. Okay, just check once where you did the mistakes, and so which concepts are not clear. Then if you focus on it, then automatically you can work better, you can do good. Yeah, few enough. Of course, yeah, as you said, few enough. It depends. It depends. It depends on the student, right? It depends on the student. So if I don't know any concept, okay, so I don't know any concept, I'm preparing right now. If I do few, I cannot understand. Yes, one of the so one more student also there, they know everything, so about entire concepts. If they practice, so few papers also fine. So some need lot of practice. Okay, different models, different kinds of questions. Okay, so concept preparation is very important. First, you have to prepare the concept. So be very strong in concept. Then automatically you can practice the model papers, previous year papers, like that. So generally all those papers, all those model papers, everything, the common is concept only, right? Common thing is concept only, right? Related to concept only, they will ask questions. They won't go out of the syllabus, right? They won't give out of the knowledge what you learned, right? Within the syllabus, whatever they given in the test books, based on that only they will frame the questions. Okay, so with a different way of approach. So what you have to do, you have to understand the way of approach, how they are asking, the way of asking questions. You need to habitate for that. That's enough. It's not about only few. It's not about only many. So it depends on how much you learn, how much you are command, how much you have command on the concept. Okay. So based on that one, you can do the model papers. So without doing also you can go, but if you are very confident, you are very known that concept sometime, but that is very dangerous, right? So if you practice more number of model papers, it will be helpful to you. It depends on time also. So I said so many papers we have to practice, so keep all the papers in front of you and start workout. So even that also it's not possible. Okay, so it depends on time, it depends on concept, it depends on papers, it depends on how you are confident enough to work out. Okay, so by seeing all the papers, all the model papers, all the questions, oh my god, I don't know this question, I didn't prepare till now. If you feel like that, then whatever you learned also it will go. So it's not like that. You must be so very strong conceptual wise. If you don't know the concept, first learn the concept. That is very, very important. If you don't know the concept, instead of going and checking the papers, first learn the concept. 2, 3 papers you learn, 2, 3 chapters at least you learn first. Then based on that one, you focus on the model questions related to that particular chapter first. After that, so complete remaining chapters also, and then go through the papers. Okay, so without learning the concept, without practicing the concept, without knowing the topic, if you go and check previous years papers, so maybe it will help somewhat, but not 100%. Definitely not 100%. So few model questions may repeat, few concepts may repeat, and sometimes few questions may repeat. Okay, but not entire. If you want 100%, if you want no each and every mark, then you need to focus on each and every concept. Okay, so right from textbook. Textbook is very important. Without reading the textbook, okay, especially science, especially physics, okay, especially physics, with the help of textbook, then you can practice remind. Okay, so your own notes, if you don't have your notes, no problem, you can borrow from your friends, or from like how we are providing like that. If you take that notes also helpful, maybe those are starting now onwards, so to prepare the concept. Okay, so it depends, as I said, it depends on the students. So right from day one onwards, so I already completed BTech, and 10 years of experience in teaching. So now I am working on my own institution, okay, working on my own path. Okay. So yes. So right from 2020 onwards, I'm uploading the videos, right? So that time onwards, I'm working. So that's before that also before that onwards I'm working. Not that time, before that onwards I'm working. Okay. So focus on the concept learning, focus on preparation, focus on practice. So do well, take care of yourself, work on conceptual building. So you have to build the concepts one by one, one by one. At a time it is not possible already. So now we are in February. Now we are in February. Okay. So now it is time for preparation, revision, and checking the previous year papers. Checking the previous year papers. So join to my live classes daily, regularly. So in that, so I am providing conceptual preparation, practice. Yes, so I'll teach 11th also, 11th class and 12th class. So also I will teach. Right now, live classes are going on CBSE grade 10 physics. So definitely coming on, as I mentioned in the earlier live classes also, I'm mentioning, keep on I'm mentioning. So 11th and 12th videos also, live classes also I'll start. So it goes on. Okay. So it's taking time, that's why. So otherwise I could start. So grade 10, it vigorously it goes, okay, without any deviation. So it goes like anything. And we can say previous year questions also will practice coming soon, and practice sessions also will start. Practice sessions and problems practice, questions, like different okay, so different ways we'll do practice. So try to attend the classes and inform to everyone, those who are there in the college, those who are there in the school, just you can inform to your friends. So let them know regarding the class, regarding the live classes, regarding the channel. That is what I want from you all. So thank you so much for supporting, those who are supporting strongly. So thank you so much. Okay, so I'm not getting time to interact, so that's the reason I am not able to interact with you all. Otherwise, I could interact to each and everyone. So before that, I was conducting, as I said. So I hope few members of you already are, they are attending. So they attended to my live classes, like interaction classes also. So these class also. Okay. Now fine. So like sometimes I will interact with you all. So regarding your doubts and regarding the classes, regarding the concepts. So check once my videos. Once go and check those videos of mine. So you'll get to know. You'll get to know. There are many videos are there related to physics. Definitely you will like it. And inform to everyone. Share to your friends also. Share to your friends also. Inform to your friends also. Ask your friends to join to the class. Attend the class. So regularly. So consistently if they attend the classes, so to my live classes, definitely it will be helpful. And whatever I'm teaching, why I'm teaching is, so whatever I'm teaching, those concepts are helpful for grade 11 and grade 12, and those are attempting for JE and NEET also. So that's why whatever the concepts, right from basic onwards until the, okay, so complete end level I am going. So that's why, so try to attend the classes regularly. Attend the classes regularly. Then you will get to know the concepts. Okay. And you'll practice. You can practice more. You can learn more. Okay. And watch the videos. If you are not able to attend the classes because of the work, because of the homework, because of the classwork, because of the preparation, everything. So after completion of live classes, it will be uploaded as a normal video. Okay, that also you can watch. That also you can watch. Okay, so I hope it is very clear. So if you have any doubts, you can let me know. If you want offline online classes, so individually, like one to one also I will teach. So those who need, just you can contact to this number. So I given this number 98498 12804. Okay, so you can contact to that number. So for physics notes for CBSE grade 10, so I have written my own notes. Okay, so there are a number of 100 problems from electricity. So all the problems framed like this, electricity problems, you can check once here. Okay, so all the problems you can check. So this is my handwritten notes, you can check once here. Okay, so all the problems, especially problems. So why I'm teaching electricity means because so here we need to practice more. We have to concentrate on this topic more because problems will be there, concepts will be there. Okay, that's why. So that's why right from starting of my live classes, so I'm focusing on electricity. So little more because problems practice is required and concept preparation also required. And that's why. Okay, so try to inform to all your friends, try to ask them to join to the classes regularly. So one day if you attend, another day skipping, again skip, so it is not good. So you have to attend regularly and live classes. Okay, so in your own fixed time. So even I'm taking throughout the day timings. So right from 10 and evening, so around 3 o'clock, 10 o'clock, at around 10:30. So here and there half an hour like that. But 10:30 surely class will start, and 3:30. So same day. So 3:30 p.m. and 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. 9 p.m. 9:30, around 9:30. So these are the classes. Okay, so classes will be scheduled like this. So continuously the live classes will be going on. Inform your friends, ask your friends to join to the class. Do like, share and subscribe to Student Brand. And so be a strong supporter to the channel. If you like the video, if you like the concept, if you like my explanation, you can go for super chat, super thanks, and be a member to the channel. Be a member to the channel. Okay, so then automatically you will get the updates. Yes, so I'll teach daily physics only. Physics only I'll teach, only physics. Okay, so physics only, those are there in grade 10. So for them only live classes will go on. Okay, so continuously. Yes, whole day only physics. Whole day only physics. Whole day only for grade 10. And the remaining classes, as I mentioned, slowly it will come up. Slowly it will come up. So those are there in grade 10 because exams are coming, right? So yeah, I'm concentrating on it. Definitely it will, I will add up. I'll add up the remaining classes. Yes, daily I'll repeat whole chapters. So daily I'll repeat the whole chapters based on that one problems and conceptual questions. So like that we will discuss. So once if you want, you can, how it will be, you can check once the live class which is uploaded as a normal video. Just to go and check once. So in that so whole topic I'll teach. Whole chapter, completely whole chapter. In live class only, whole chapter I will teach. Okay, so based on that one, questions, especially important question, important concept, based on particular topic, how they will ask also, I will give the questions also. I'll ask questions also. Okay, so based on important concept, important topic also, I will ask questions. So those are there in the live. Okay, AC current, alternating current, yeah, definitely. DC current, direct current. Okay, actually, magnetic effects of electric current. So I hope the topic is deleted for this part. But previous years, the so one topic is there, that is motor, okay, generator. So in that these topics are there, okay, but still I'll teach. So definitely we'll work out on it, okay. So thank you so much for joining and attending and listening my class. This is your Siva sir from Student the Brand. So do like, share and subscribe and inform to your friends. So we'll see you in the next class. Thank you.